I guess the good news was when I heard of the damage and the devastation out there, I was really expecting more loss of life. So it's not good for the families that lost loved ones, but to have only 6 was, after we especially heard from the National Weather Service that this was a F4 tornado, that and seeing what we saw today and last night, that it was one of the worst things we've ever had in Hood County. We put out, I was on the radio, an amateur radio with the National Weather Service along with the storm spotters of Hood County, and we were monitoring the storms as they were coming into the county. And as soon as my storm spotter started seeing rotation in the clouds, dip in the clouds, everything that gives us indicators that something bad's about to happen, we were communicating that with the National Weather Service. And when they confirmed what we were seeing from the ground through radar, then we put out the notification at the same time when they said, yeah, we're going to put out a tornado warning notification for Hood County. So we started at that time, and at that point in time, the main part of that storm, the rotation, was north and west of Granbury, north and west of the airport. So then it had time to move across, move east, back up, and then move to the south, and then cut across country until it eventually ended up over at Rancho Brazos, where we had the damage.